Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manage alert preferences for specific accounts in Bright. Are you using multiple accounts in Bright and you want tailored alerts for each one? Here's how to manage alert preferences for specific accounts. Start by opening the Bright app and logging into your account using your credentials. And once you're in, tap on your profile icon. Then go to Settings and then tap Notifications. Now choose linked accounts or account specific alerts. You're going to see a list of all your connected accounts such as savings, check-ins, investments, or loan accounts. Tap on the one that you want to customize. You can now adjust notifications for spending alerts, deposits and withdrawals, balance updates, loan repayments, as well as investment changes. Go ahead and toggle each alert on and off depending on what you want to receive for that specific account. Repeat this process for each account as needed. With Bright, your notifications work the way that you want. Focused, relevant, and easy to manage. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more Bright walkthroughs to master your money.